Pelton wheel turbine. The Pelton wheel is an impulse-type water turbine. Named after its inventor, Lester Allen Pelton, this turbine converts the energy from the impulse of moving water. In these turbines, the wheel is moved with the help of high-speed jets. Movement of the wheel, in turn, helps to convert the kinetic energy into rotational energy. It is one of the most popular turbines in the category of impulse turbines. Let us understand the design and working of Pelton wheel or turbine. This turbine works efficiently for power extraction when the water energy is available at high head and the flow rate is low. Pelton wheel turbine components. Circular transparent window is available for visual inspection of the impact of jet on buckets. Penstock. This is a pipe-shaped tunnel that carries the water from dam to turbine at very high speed. Spear. It is a spear provided within the nozzle attached to the tip of the penstock to increase and decrease the flow of water. The water flow is controlled by moving the spear forward and backward. Nozzle. It is attached on the tip of penstock having taper shape. Main purpose of the nozzle is used to increase the velocity of the water. Number of nozzles depend upon the available water head and the operating requirement of the shape. Hence, the nozzles placed around the wheel vary. Buckets. To wheel runner, a specified number of buckets are attached. The buckets are spoon-shaped in the form of a double hemispherical cup or bowl. Runner. Runner is a large circular disc attached to the shaft. Disc buckets are arranged on it. Brake nozzle. Stops the turbine by sending the water flow back of the buckets. Braking jet. The runner does not stop immediately as soon as the water nozzle is blocked. At this time, the braking jet directs the water back on the buckets. Belt. Provided to load the turbine. Outlet. To return the water to the water source. Pelton wheel turbine construction. Pelton wheel has a rotor with circular disc. These discs have cup-shaped blades or buckets. These buckets are fitted on the circumference and are at equidistance from each other. The nozzles are attached to the penstock, arranged so the water jet is tangential to the wheel circumference. Pelton wheel turbine working. The Pelton wheel turbine are usually implemented at the dams. At dams, the water of the flowing river is restricted and hence the water gains potential energy. Also, the water is at some height to that of Pelton wheel. Nozzles direct forceful, high-speed streams of water against the spoon-shaped buckets or the impulse blades fixed on the circumference. Each bucket is divided into two symmetrical parts by a dividing wall known as splitter. It divides the jet into two equal parts. As the water jet hits the countered bucket blades, the direction of water velocity is changed to follow the contours of the bucket. Due to this change in the momentum, the water stream produces impact on the blade edges of the Pelton wheel turbine. Water impulse energy exerts torque on the buckets and wheel system and helps the wheel to spin. The water stream itself does a U-turn and exits at the outer sides of the bucket, decelerated to a low velocity. In the process, momentum of the water jet is transferred to the wheel and hence to the turbine. This force makes the turbine rotate. The turbine is attached to a shaft. The rotating shaft runs a generator and produces electricity. For maximum power and efficiency, the wheel and turbine system is designed such that the velocity of the water jet is twice the velocity of the rotating buckets. Side-by-side placement of buckets balances the side load forces on the wheel and helps to ensure smooth, efficient transfer of momentum of the water jet to the turbine wheel. Advantages of Pelton wheel turbine. Pelton wheel turbine is very efficient as compared to other turbines. Its construction is very easy. Even in silted water, it operates efficiently. Disadvantages of Pelton wheel turbine. Efficiency decreases with time as the components are very large. Its installation and maintenance costs are very high. Recap. In this lesson, you learnt about the components of a Pelton wheel turbine, its construction, working, advantages and disadvantages.